Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I just got done with my first day at my yard sale for the citywide townwide garage sale in our town, and I made a bunch of money, so I'm going to tell you all about it and kind of show you what I got left. All right, so come on in. I sold a ton of stuff today, and I will tell you how much I made. The sign said that we started at 3 o'clock, but actually I put the signs out about 1 o'clock, and we started getting customers immediately, and people were apologetic when they saw the 3 o'clock time frame, but we just let them in anyway. But we put a table out here just outside my building so people could look out here, because we borrowed some tables from church so that we could do this yard sale. But one thing that I want to tell you is get a price gun. If you're going to do a garage sale, it saved me so much time. So these are some of the things that I had for sale that still are left over. We sold some of these Guru Gear Bluetooth headphones for $5 a piece. And so, you know, garage sale prices, you're thinking $1 or $2. I have things priced quite a bit higher and was able to get quite a bit to move. So this is what I have left. A lot of this is kind of from my house. You know, my kids went through a lot of their books, sold them for $1 a piece, moved a lot of them. And then you might recognize a lot of these items from the liquidation boxes that I've been unboxing, but we sold a ton of things like, you know, like 5 lip glosses, and these are some things we got from liquidation. And of course, I sold a ton of these little welcome signs, and you saw me pull those out of liquidation boxes. Tons of these blankets, and then these were things that we had tried to sell online before that got hazmated for us, and we actually, believe it or not, I sold this for $5 today. And I sold 2 of these for $3 a piece today. So you can get good money at a garage sale. I'm really excited. So all of these things we still have left, but we did awesome today. Look at this awesome emoji phone. I just think it's amazing. So if you still have a landline or just want something fun, it does still work. I just don't have the cord that connects the handset to the phone, but it's an actual emoji phone for your wall. Oops. Let me not break it. I'm like a dropper. I'm the worst. Okay.
It was emoji before there was such a thing.
Yes, really. That was like before emojis were super popular. But anyway, so I'm selling a lot of stuff that I've just had sitting around forever. I sold a ton of air mattresses at $10 a piece. And if any of you saw me open that pallet with the air mattresses in it, I spent less than $10. So I definitely made a profit on all of those. We sold, this is I think, a multi-cooker, but I sold a rice cooker, a couple of off-brand Instapots. We sold a lot of technology that was kind of an off-brand that was basically, I think, what somebody else private labeled, but it got sent back in a return box. Sold some pet stuff. I did sell the DeWalt tool sets. And he haggled with me, and I was firm on my price. I had it listed online for about $100 for an 186-piece DeWalt tool set, brand new, totally still in the package, and in a case and everything. It was a mechanics tool set, and I ended up selling it for $70. And so, and I didn't have to ship it, which was awesome, because that thing was a beast to even pick up. So,
if you're stressed out.
Yeah. If you're stressed out, here's a foam stress. We've had these forever. We sold these really good on eBay for a while.
Yeah, we got those down at the Goodwill Outlet.
Yeah, Goodwill Outlet. We had these, and then like white semi trucks that look like that. So we've got just this stuff left. Oh, so I need to tell you a funny story. Oh, this is cool. This is a basically knockoff brand. It's called Guru Gear, but it's a GoPro basically, and it comes with all the accessories and everything on this side.
I think it's a knockoff. Guys.
Yeah, Guru Gear.
I think that's what it is.
Yeah, but this is a funny story. So I got this in a liquidation box a long time ago. These are throwing knives. Sorry, I'm not going to throw them at my hubby, my cameraman, but he kept talking to every customer that came in that was a couple, and he was like, I got some throwing knives that are a great anniversary gift. We'll see who trusts who. And the reactions from some of the couples were hysterical. And so that's the fun part of garage selling, is that you get to really interact with people. I've got these nutcrackers. They come 2 of them in a box. So those are brand new. Sold some of these today, which for $4, they're basically fleece pants. And then I've got some of these. These are cool. I got 6 inflatable dice. that I still have a few left of, and then some random other just things I got out of liquidation about. The claw machine that some of you have asked about, and then I've got a full-size duvet cover that's just black. It's just the duvet cover.
Hey, look at the blankets.
Yeah. Have you seen those before? I actually sold some today, believe it or not, for $5 a piece. So, and I think they came out of the pallet at about, you know, $1.50 or $2 a piece. Some projection lights that I had bought at a retail store to flip, and some old Christmas lights.
Good deal. I just pick up these random toys down at the Goodwill outlet.
Yeah, and we were selling them for $25 a piece, and sometimes we get some pretty unique ones in there. Some old school ones.
A lot of people dug through that.
Look at this. This is a DuckTales case.
You guys remember DuckTales?
DuckTales, woo! And then here's some leftover makeup that I had gotten one time that just that particular shade of makeup didn't sell, so I'm selling these for $2 a piece.
Hey,
and then look! My pumpkin scoopers. Remember
Still
them?
no one wanted them.
Still, no one wants my, even at 50 cents. I think I'm just going to write free on the box and see if I can give away tomorrow. But tomorrow my plan is I'm running my garage sale from 8 to 1. And I'm planning on right about noon, I'm going to probably discount everything. And so as soon as it hits about noon or 11, then I'm probably going to discount things and basically tell everybody half price on everything, because I don't want to put it all away and I want it to go. Oh, also, we sold Ski and Water today. Ski.
They don't know what Ski is.
Yeah, Ski is a beverage only bottled in Clinton County, which is where I live. And it's basically like a more high-powered sugary Mountain Dew. Kind of like Mountain Dew, but tastes way better.
Kind of like a mixture of Sundrop, if you've ever had that.
Sundrop and Mountain Dew. So if you want to try some Ski, let me know, and I'll, you know, we can do a deal, and I'll ship you a case of Ski. I actually used to sell Ski on Amazon all the time. Yeah, we used to sell a 12-pack of Ski. I would buy it for $5 and then flip it for about $26 on Amazon. But the bottom kind of fell out of that, and the room went out of that one. But yeah, so Ski sells really well. So if you ever hear anybody talk about Ski soda, now you know where it comes from, in the middle of Illinois. But anyway, you wanted to know exactly how much I was going to make. I made today. I made $479 from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. tonight on Friday night. And it was really surprising how many people, it was just an influx of people over and over. The one thing that really surprised me, well, I only had 3 people that actually haggled with me. And I'm a haggler. I like to haggle, and I'm pretty firm on my numbers. So, yeah, only 3 people asked me, you know, to go down on my prices. And so I guess I priced it what it was worth. Here, let me show you real fast. This is the pricing gun that I have. Super easy to use. And I bought it, I think, for $15 on Amazon, and it definitely saved me $15 worth of work.
Oh, yeah.
This thing, we set up most of this in probably 2 hours, because we just... whatever we wanted to put in the garage sale, we stuck kind of in one of our empty pallets, and then we just unboxed it all, and I just started hammering away with the price gun. And so that was really amazing to have that. And then we just made sure that we had enough cash on hand, and you know, we just went from there. And so $479 in one garage sale day. I'm super excited to see what we make tomorrow, and hopefully you'll find out how well we did at the end of the whole garage sale weekend. Hopefully it's been helpful to see how well we do at our garage sale, moving some of the liquidation stuff that is not on the Amazon platform. It's not sellable really because of the shipping size on some of the other platforms. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.